Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Apple just dropped what might be the biggest update in a decade. iOS 26. The new liquid glass design is absolutely turning heads, but reports of massive bugs and serious battery issues are flooding in just as fast. So today, we're going to break it all down. We'll look at the incredible new features you're going to love and the major problems that might make you want to hold off on updating. Let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about that design. This is easily the most significant visual overhaul since iOS 7, and it's heavily inspired by the new user interface is all about translucency. Your icons look like they're literally floating on a pane of glass. It's a very cool, futuristic effect. The control center is now fully customizable, and the elements even have this subtle motion responsiveness. It feels incredibly premium, but here's the big question: does it slow down your phone? We'll get to that in just a bit. Now for the features, and this is where things get exciting. Siri is finally smart. Seriously, it's now powered by a new large language model, which means Siri finally understands personal context. If you say something like, "Find that photo of the blue car I took in Dubai," it actually works, pulling up the exact picture you were thinking of. And that's not all. Apple also introduced Health Plus. Think of it as your personal AI health coach living right on your phone. It tracks your nutrition from photos of your meals and analyzes your sleep patterns with almost scary accuracy. It's a game changer for anyone trying to live a healthier lifestyle. Okay, now let's talk about the dark side, the major problems. And there are quite a few. Many users, especially those on iPhone 14 and 15 models, are reporting severe overheating issues. It seems the combination of the new liquid glass UI and all the background AI indexing is pushing the processors to their absolute limit, making phones uncomfortably hot. And with that comes massive battery drain. We're hearing from people losing 20% of their battery in just 1 hour of light use. On top of that, because this is such a huge architectural shift, many third-party apps like Instagram and WhatsApp are constantly glitching or crashing. And to make matters worse, there's a nasty bug where system data can balloon to over 50 gigabytes for no reason at all, eating up your precious storage. But if you've already taken the plunge and updated, don't panic. There are a couple of things you can do right now. To help with the battery drain and overheating, go into your settings, then to accessibility, then display and text size, and turn on reduce transparency. This will disable the cool liquid glass effect, but it will give your CPU a much-needed break. Also, try doing a force restart on your iPhone. This can sometimes help clear the indexing cache that might be causing the overheating and storage bloat. So, what's the final verdict? Is iOS 26 a must-have or a must-avoid? My take is this: if you have a brand new iPhone 17 or even a 16 Pro, your device can probably handle it, so go for it. But if you're on any older model, I would strongly recommend waiting for the 26.1 or even the 26.2 update. The new features are incredible, but the stability just isn't there yet for most people. But I want to know what you think. Have you updated? Are you seeing these issues? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.